Hi, and welcome to Camera Smashed. In this video, I will be listing the features for the top 6 DSLR cameras for beginners under 500. Top on our list today is the Pentax K-3. This camera is for you if you're an adventurous photographer who likes to capture the wild. It has 24 megapixels, in-body shake reduction, a AA filter-free sensor, 51,200 max ISO. It has a 27-point autofocus, 8 frames per second continuous shooting, 1/8,000th of a second shutter speed, full HD video, a dual card slot, and it is weather resistant. This camera has great features and weather resistance, which makes it the ultimate field camera. Next is the Nikon D7100. It has a fast autofocus and is a great camera if you're into wildlife photography. It has 24 megapixels, a 6400 max ISO, but it expands to 25,600. It has a max shutter speed of 1/8,000th of a second, 51 focus points, a 950 shot battery life, 6 frames per second continuous shooting, face detection autofocus, time-lapse recording, a dual card slot, and it is weather resistant. With its lightning quick autofocus, this by far is the best DSLR for bird photography under 500. Third on the list is the Canon EOS 70D. This camera is great if you are willing to sacrifice image quality for speed. It has 20 megapixels, a max ISO of 12,800, it has a max shutter speed of 1/8,000th of a second, 19 focus points, 7 frames per second continuous shooting, 1920 by 1080 full HD video, a 920 shot battery life, touchscreen, fully articulating LCD, and it is also weather sealed. With its high number of frames per second, average ISO, the fully articulating LCD screen, and weather resistance, this camera is great if you're a photography enthusiast and will find yourself shooting in lots of different situations. Fourth on the list is the Nikon D5600. This camera is great if you want a small and compact DSLR with good image quality. It has 24 megapixels, a max ISO of 25,600, the max shutter speed is 1/4000th of a second, 39 focus points, 5 frames per second continuous shooting, 1080p full HD video, an 820 shot battery life, touchscreen, fully articulating LCD, and a wireless connection. With its small, compact size and good image quality, this camera is great if you're a travel photographer. Fifth on the list is the Canon EOS Rebel T6i. This camera is for you if you want a cheap DSLR with a fast autofocus. It has 24 megapixels, a max ISO of 12,800, the max shutter speed is 1/4000th of a second, 19 focus points, 5 frames per second continuous shooting, 1920 by 1080 full HD video, a 440 shot battery life, touchscreen, articulating LCD screen, wireless connection. With its low price and fast autofocus, this camera is great if you're on a budget but still want a fast camera. And last but not least, we have the Canon EOS T7. On most lists for DSLRs under 500, you'll likely see this camera on top or near the top. But with lots of research and comparing it to other cameras, I have found that it actually ranks 6th best. It has 24 megapixels, a 6400 max ISO, a max shutter speed of 1/4000th of a second, 9 focus points, 3 frames per second continuous shooting, 1920 by 1080 full HD video, a 500 shot battery life, a built-in flash, face detection autofocus, and a wireless connection. So with good image and video quality and the low price, this camera is great if you are just starting and want to learn how to use a DSLR. So to recap, first is the Pentax K-3, second is the Nikon D7100, third is the Canon EOS 70D, fourth is the Nikon D5600, fifth is the Canon EOS Rebel T6i, and sixth is the Canon EOS T7. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I will link to all the cameras in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.